the moving on song.
Wow.
Okay? So, kasi syempre, pag Christmas, hindi natin alam yung iba na kayo. Wala, ganyan.
Oh my God!
Ito, it's a very positive song. Like, sinasabi dito na balang araw, makakahanap ka ng someone much better than your ex.
Something!
Christmas na. So, sinasabi ko sa inyo, sa mga gumamit ito for their moving on siya, maraming salamat.
Ako!
Yun. Maraming gumamit. Ay, ang dami. Na tayo moving natin ito, no? So, ito, umpisa na natin. Let's go.
Go, Nina! Go, Queen!
Sa mga ka-relate, ha?
Grabe ka, Nina. I love you.
Ay, naiyak na kagad. Someday, gonna realize. One day, you'll see through my eyes. But then, I won't even be there. I'll be happy somewhere, even if I can. I know you don't really see my world. You think you're the last guy on earth. Well, I've got news for you. I know I'm not that strong, but it won't take long. Won't take long. Everybody sing with me, come on. 'Cause what? Someday, someone's gonna love me. I wanted you to leave me. Someone's gonna take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you someday. What? Ganda ng mga boses. Take your place. One day I'll forget about you. You'll see I won't even miss you someday. Sakit, diba? Pero pag nahanap mo na sa Sunday, hindi na masakit yan.